Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. This is the new purchase by the CarGar. This is a 1999 Toyota Camry, and she runs really good. Doesn't need anything mechanically in the engine or transmission. Just needs front struts and a right control arm. Other than that, this is very straight body. Paint's faded, but that's okay. We'll get another one with the straight paint. The whole thing is about the body on these cars, because right here in the back is where you'll normally find damage, right there. But not on this one, because this one came from Idaho, and this was stored for a while. And you can tell actually as well by the inside. It's clean. A little bit of sun damage on the front. I guess it just wasn't moving for a while, it just sat there. But other than that, she is clean. Headliner is good, almost excellent. My price, $960. Drove it about 130 miles back here to Morongo Valley. And I've been putting about 150 miles on it every day since. Yeah, take it a spin around the property. Here we are inside the Toyota Camry. 1999, best year for these cars. Air conditioning blows cold. 214,000 miles on this car. I'm sorry, 217,000 miles. Air conditioning will always blow cold on these cars, pretty much no matter what mileage you get. Really smooth engine. 2.2 4-cylinder. We'll drive around the property here. Transmission's a little bit, the oil's a little bit dirty, but you would never tell by the way it shifts. And one Toyota Camry specialist tells me, if it ain't broken, don't fix it. So he says, just leave it how it is. And there's the beast in front of us. Yeah. Very impressed with this car. Here we are in the Toyota Camry, ladies and gentlemen. 45-mile-per-hour zone up ahead. That's exactly where we're gonna go. Smooth ride for a $960 car. Everything works. For 217,000 miles. She gets about 34 miles to the gallon. And this is just easy driving. Easy driving. Give it some gas. Can't really give it too much. It's a 45-mile-per-hour zone. Yeah, she passed mod just a couple days ago. So she's adequate in power. Here we are in Joshua Tree. This is the downtown. And I do suggest everybody stop by here and have a burger. All right, have a good one.